Our project, called The Famous World, is a single-page platform dedicated to famous people around the world. Viewers can see pictures of famous people on a map localized at the birth locations. Let's say we want to look at people born in London. Then we can zoom in and move the map to reach that location. As we zoom in, we see people born there in more detail. The people who are still alive have a green band around them. After clicking on a selected person, a pop-up opens up presenting their birth year, location, and occupation. We can also see the death year and location of the deceased. We can read a short bio about the person by clicking here. Based on the time a person was born, the background of the pop-up differs. Let's say we want to look at only the politicians born in London. We can filter them using the occupation filter in this manner. Let's continue with the politicians and see who were born between the years 1700 and 1900. We can adjust the time period using the filter either by dragging the slider or setting it manually. Now we see the politicians from London born between the years 1700 and 1900. Lastly, we can see the changes in the political scene in London through time using a time-lapse feature. We use the same filter to do this. First, we select the start year, let's say 1000, and then select a range of years, let's say 500 years, using the end year. Now, the time lapse is started by clicking on the play button, and we can increase the speed using the forward button. The lapse will stop once the current year, that's 2021, is reached. We hope our project will increase the understanding of history with the global awareness of where the famous personalities originally come from to the future generations. Thank you.